Your tarot cards, they have an energetic vibration. And as much as you care for them, as much as you give them ceremony and appreciation and worship, they will worship you right back. Hello and welcome to my powerful mini course on how to read the tarot. So you're here because you love these cards or you want to know more about them. My relationship with the tarot has been very fascinating. So by practice, I'm a raw food chef. So I work very closely with food and healthy ingredients. I'm also an entrepreneurial business doing coaching on Mayan astrology. So I'm a bit of a mixture. And the tarot is a bit of a mixture as well. Doesn't matter who you are. You could be a businessman or woman, or you could be a crystal junkie hippie, or you could be in the UN. You could be doing anything. You could be a stay-at-home mom. You could be a Reiki teacher. Whatever you want to do, the tarot is an amazing sidekick, and that has been my experience. So I have studied the tarot in the outbacks of New Zealand and Australia, studying with masters of the craft, studying with myself in the cards. I've gone on some very deep journeys, as well as many courses, and currently I'm sharing Mayan astrology, which I've been sharing for 5 years. So in this course, you'll also get a bit of that woven in, which is very exciting if you're drawn to that at all. So I'm Kelly. We're going to be getting to know each other. We're going to be sharing our journeys. And my mission here is to get you feeling confident, intuitive, and excited about building a relationship with the tarot in your life and building it by doing readings for others. So welcome to my course. I hope you enjoy, and let's get going.